Right, today we're going to be doing the 8 times tables, and I thought this time I'd even throw in some different coloured pens. Now we'll start off again with the basic, look at that green, repeated addition. What should I go for? I'll go for a black one with this. Doing one lot of 8, and then 2 lots of 8, and all the way down to 10 lots of 8, and 11, etc., etc., all the way down to 12. Now, as well as that, we've also got the fact that it is commutative. I think I nailed that. And we've got facts that we know, so if you can work out even through this repeat addition, once you've worked out 3 lots of 8, you also know what 8 lots of 3 is. It's a bit of a cheat, but I'll let you off. And then we've also got things that we've talked about before. You can use this for some of the basic ones as well, but this is how I do it in my head. When I'm working things out in my head, I might get a fact like, if I think I can work out what 2 lots of 8 are, and then if I double that, 2, 4, and then if I can double that, I then quickly know what 8 lots of 8 are, and I can work it out that way. Another thing to have a go at is, again, doing the inverse. The inverse, so for example, if we know that like 2 lots of 8 are 16, we know that 16 divided by 8 is equal to that, or I'll let you fill it in. You also know those skills. And what else could we do? We talked a bit in the previous one, I think in the 3 times table, powers of 10. I'll just get on with it. So if you know what like 10 times 8 is, if you know what 1 lot of 8 is, and then you know 10 lot of 8, then I reckon you might be able to spot the pattern and work out what 100 lots of 8 are. And from that, you might even be able to work out what 1,000 lots of 8 are. And you could even challenge yourself and see if you can work out what 0.1 lots of 8 are. Something like that. And even then, like, you've got those skills and you can work out what, it doesn't have to be 100, you could do, if you know what 3 lots of 8 are, you could then have a go at what 30 lots of 8 are. Or, if I move it up a little bit, 300 lots of 8 are. Have a crack at that. And then another one, which I always do, the way I work things out in my head, is, it's probably a clever name for it, combine facts. So, for example, if you know what 2 lots of 8 are, and then you can work out, double it to what 4 lots of 8 are. So you could do, say, 4 lots of 8, and then you might be able to use that to help you work out what 40 lots of 8 are. And then you also could use 5 times table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, work out what 5 lots of 8 are. And if you add all these together, all these facts, you can work out more tricky ones, so like 45 lots of 8. And you could do something really similar with, if I scooch that up there, have a crack at something, I don't know, like 63 lots of 8. Use that same strategy of breaking it apart, finding out what 60 is, 33 times 8 is, and add it all together. Again, see how many facts you can do, share it with your class teacher, have fun.